how to send DMs on Twitter in 2021. Now that I am going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to the settings, go to the firstly your this menu in the top left corner, and then go to the settings and privacy, and then you have to click on the privacy and safety, and then click on the direct messages, and you have to enable the receive message request, and here you can see this is enabled. So then another thing you have to do is you have to DM on Instagram, DM on the Twitter, and here this is there is no option for the to DM, and in the Vivo here you can see this in the left side of the notification option. Here you can see the email like button. Here you can see you can also voice messages, and you can type like this hi, and and you have sent it, and you can in the left side of in the very left side of this box, here you can see you can send photos here, and here in the GIF sections you can send the GIFs to the this profile picture or this Twitter username, and you can in the very right side of this type box you can see the this you can also send the voice messages to him. So that's basically it, that how you can send DMs on Twitter in 2021, and the options for sending DMs is not available on the every username, so you have to found it like this username have no it they have no options to send DMs. You can also find it the United Nations official account. No, here is not. So this is option is not available for every account. So that's basically that how you can send DMs on Twitter in 2021. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel, and also like this videos, share this video with your friends, and comment below that this video is helpful. Have a good day.